Okay, we've cut out these pieces to make horns out of. So we're going to glue these together. Like that. And let them set up, and then we can get ready to work on them. I also sanded this down a little bit, the rough from cutting it out that was sticking up. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. You want to spread your glue out all over. Cover the whole thing. We'll put these together. And then we'll clamp these and let them set up overnight so they get a good seal to it. You just want to put the clamp on there a little bit. Just make it snug till you get it all centered, because you don't want it to slide around on you. Once you get everything where you want it, then you want to just make it nice and snug. Don't over tighten it. You don't want to squeeze all the glue out. So now we'll let that sit aside and dry, and then we'll move on to the next step. So we're going to do the same with these two pieces, and then we'll be back. Thanks for watching.